Architectural design is a comprehensive process that turns a concept into a tangible, functional, and aesthetically pleasing structure. It is a creative and technical discipline that involves a series of stages, from initial ideas to the final construction. The architectural design process is typically broken down into several phases. Pre-design/programming. This is the initial information gathering phase. The architect works closely with the client to understand their needs, goals, budget, and timeline. This phase involves defining the project scope, like how many rooms and what kind of spaces. Analyzing the site, including its conditions, zoning restrictions, and surrounding context. Creating a program, which is a document that outlines all the practical needs of the design. Schematic design, SD. In this phase, the architect translates the information gathered in the pre-design phase into initial design concepts. This involves developing preliminary sketches, diagrams, and rough floor plans, exploring different design options and spatial relationships, presenting a design proposal to the client for feedback and approval. Design development, DD. Once a schematic design is approved, developing preliminary sketches, diagrams, and rough floor plans, exploring different design options and spatial relationships, presenting a design proposal to the client for feedback and approval. Design development, DD. Once a schematic design is approved, the architect refines and elaborates on the concept. This phase involves creating more detailed drawings and plans, collaborating with engineers, structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing to integrate building systems. Selecting specific materials, finishes, fixtures, and fittings. Developing an updated cost estimate. Construction documents. This is one of the most extensive phases. The architect prepares a complete set of detailed drawings and specifications that a contractor will use to construct the building. These documents include architectural, structural, mechanical, and electrical plans, detailed drawings of all building elements from foundations to the roof, written specifications for all materials and finishes, bidding and negotiation. The construction documents are used to get bids from contractors. The architect can assist the client in evaluating bids and negotiating a contract with the chosen builder. Construction administration, CA. During construction, the architect's role shifts to administration and oversight. They act as a representative for the client, ensuring the project is built according to the design documents. This includes regular site visits to monitor progress, reviewing contractor submittals and shop drawings, addressing any issues or questions that arise on the job site through requests for information, RFIs, reviewing and approving payment requests from the contractor.